I didn't expect changing just the back would completely change the whole dress. And this is why this dress is way too big on me now. Like, the waist basically has no shape anymore. So every time I wear it, it just looks kinda sloppy on me. But I still really love the fabric and all the little details on this dress. But I still really love the fabric of this dress. It's so soft and comfortable to wear. And the embroidery near the hem is honestly so pretty too. It's not the kind of detail you notice right away, but the longer you look at it, the more special it feels. And because it's a linen rayon blend, it feels really light and breathable when you wear it. The fabric even feels cool to the touch. Honestly, at first I had no idea what I wanted to turn this dress into, because I still wanted to keep all the little details that made it special. At one point, I thought about turning it into a skirt, so I could still keep the embroidered hem, but then it felt kinda wasteful to cut up the whole dress just for that. I also thought about turning it into a matching top and skirt set, but honestly, it still didn't feel quite right. Then, I started sketching out an open back design, and the second I saw the pattern come together, I knew this was the one. So I finally decided to remake the dress into an open back style. I actually messed up the open back part 3 different times. At first, I only made the back opening a little bit smaller, but when I tried it on, it just didn't look right. So I ended up taking it apart and cutting it wider again. And by the third try, the back finally started looking the way I wanted. After that, I started reshaping the dress a little. I brought the waist in more, so it would have a bit more shape when I wore it. Because before, the dress was really straight and loose, so the overall fit felt kinda shapeless. I still wanted it to feel soft and flowy, but also a little more flattering at the same time. After that, I started finishing all the edges around the sleeves, neckline, and open back. This part honestly took the longest, because I wanted everything to look really clean and soft, so the dress would still keep that light, delicate feeling after the remake. And here's the final result. I honestly didn't expect changing just the back would make the dress look this different. It still has that same soft and light feeling, but now it looks so much more flattering. The open back made the whole dress feel way more feminine and sexy. And I love that even after changing so much, it still kept that soft, airy linen feel.